are going to discuss module 7. Actually, this is our fifth meeting, okay? Okay, there are some topics that we are going to discuss tonight. First, we need to review skimming and scanning that we learned yesterday, and then we are going to move to module 7. It's about finding topics such as words and conversation. Okay, now I want one of you answer my question. Okay, what is skimming? What is skimming? Who wants to speak? Who wants to? Okay, go on with your own words. Okay, don't use my words. Use your own words. Okay, you can start now. Okay, right. Okay, and then who wants to add? Siapa yang ingin menambahi? Anyone? Mastri, what is skimming? Searching what? Searching what? Searching what? Okay. And then the last, who wants to add? Who wants to say again? Who wants to say? Samrotun, what do you know about skimming? Samrotun, no one there? Okay. Okay, how about, yeah? Okay, how about scanning? What is scanning? Is it correct? Who wants to correct? Who wants to correct Mbak Linda? Okay. Another? Do you want to try? Oh, yeah, yeah. One by one. Ketua first, okay? Who wants to try? Skimming is scanning. What is scanning? Okay, you keep your answer, okay? Now we see. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay. The term skimming is often confused with scanning. You skim a text to obtain the gist, right? What is gist? What is GIS? Yeah, that's right. GIS is necessary or idea, right? The overall sense of a place of a piece of writing. This can help you decide whether to read more slowly or in more detail. Skimming is used first to find the writer's point of view, the second to know the pattern of organization, and the third to know the ideas. Okay, while scanning, scanning is also useful when you don't have time to read every word. Okay, scanning is used to find the specific information, right? Such as when we are going to look up a word in a dictionary or index, and then to find an address or a phone number in a directory, and then check what time your program is on television, and look up details or prices in the catalog, and last pick out the website you want from option on a Google search. Okay, so here's uh, the use of scanning. While skimming is reading quickly to find the gist, right? To find the gist or main idea. And scanning, reading quickly to find the specific information such as word in dictionary, address code, and blah blah blah. Okay. For example, when we are going to find the word valuable in the dictionary, you you wouldn't start at the letter A and read every word, but the most efficient way is to turn the letter P and then find the word beginning with va or there PA. It means PA. So the difference between skimming and scanning is skimming, reading quickly to find the gist or main idea, right? Such as the writer's point of view, the pattern of organization, and the ideas. On the other hand, scanning is reading quickly to find or to looking for specific information from a book or article, such as looking up a word in dictionary, find an address, check what time your program, look up the details of price in a catalog, and pick out the website you want from option on a Google search like that. So that's the difference between skimming and scanning. Did you get? Okay, Mbak Eni, that's okay, Mbak. So, Mastri, can you repeat what I said just now? Oh, Mbak Mustika wants to try. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, that's right. Good. And then, such as, what is specific information? Such as what? Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Good. And then, okay, good. I get it. Now, Mastri, use your own words. No, wait. Uh, how is skimming different to scanning? So the answer is not yes. You remember what I said, right? If the question, uh, yeah, you remember, right? How is skimming different to scanning? Ya, ber, bag, it means here it can be apa yang membedakan atau bagaimana perbedaan antara scamming dan scanning. Just say skimming first, and then you after you explain about skimming, you can explain about scanning. Okay, good. Suggest, suggest what? Uh, and then writer's point. Point what? Point of view. Sudut pandang si penulis. Okay. And how about scanning? How about scanning? Tell us about scanning. Good. Such as, tell us the specific information. Okay. Okay, good, good. I see. So now you have known the difference or the difference between skimming and scanning, right? So if someone asks you what is skimming or what is scanning, you have to be able to answer the question. And then not only to answer, not only to read, not only to remember, you have to be able to practice these skills. Actually, skimming, scanning, preview, predicting, uh, reading for guess, reading for or guessing what's meaning are the kinds of reading skill. Okay, so they belongs to reading skills. Okay, and then now let's continue. Let's see the next topic. This topic is located in module 7. Okay, finding the topic, because we have learned about or we have discussed about preview. Okay, now I want to ask one of you, what kind of topic that we have discussed in reading one? Who knows? Do you know what kind of topic that you, yeah, ya Mbak Ramina? How about another? What kind of topic? Okay. Mbak Ramina, tolong dimatikan dulu mic-nya deh. Oke, sekarang Mas Tri. Mm-mm. No, I asked you since the first meeting until yesterday, what kind of topics that we have learned? No, did you get what I said when I asked you? Since meeting 1 until meeting 4, Do you still remember the topics or the title that we have discussed? Yes, just mention. One is, what is the first? Oh, I see. No, 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 no. That's what I want. No, wait. Okay. Once again, listen to my question. Okay, listen carefully. Iya, Mbak Eni benar ada previewing. Jadi, Mas Tri, I ask you, uh, since meeting 1 until meeting 4, what kind of topic, what kind of title that we have discussed? Did you get what I said? Did you get what I mean? Okay, Mas Tri, now you can speak. Ah, yeah, yeah, that's right. Uh-uh, yeah. Reading for pleasure, and then what else? Guessing what's meaning. Reading for guess. Okay, so how many topics? How many topics? Yeah, how many topics that we have discussed? How many? Yeah, yeah, berapa banyak? If I ask you how many is talking, oh, the answer should be number, right? Ah, mm-mm, 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 mm-mm. Oh, ada lima. Now let's say together. The first is preview. The second is predicting, right? And then we have talking, we have talked about reading for pleasure, and then reading for a guessing what's meaning, skimming, scanning. There are seven, right? Seven topics. Okay. Okay, now we continue. Now we have learned seven topics, right? Now we are going to continue module 7, finding topics. Finding topics. The first is finding topics. Uh, so if you are the reader, suppose that you are the reader, okay, and you read a text or a passage. So if you are a good reader, there will be some questions come to your mind. There will be some questions come to your mind, such as, what am I reading about? And then, what is the topic? Okay, that that is the good reader. Okay, that's the good reader. Okay, and then actually, both of questions always come to our mind. Okay. Oke, Mbak Arik nanya apa nggak ada gambarnya, Miss? Maksudnya? Oke. Now, uh, so in finding the topic, we are going to find the topics from some words. For example, okay, now listen carefully and see the PPT, okay? Wait, okay. The first, these are words, okay? We can find words here. The first 9, 16. Okay, number 4, 70, 77, 15, 80, 32. Okay, the topic is, sorry, this should be, wait. Okay, so the topic is about number. Okay, the topic is about number. So if talking about the topic, it can be one word or more than one word. Okay, jadi topiknya ini tentang apa, seperti itu. And then contoh yang kedua ada music, food, people, party, laughing, dancing, games, and singing. Okay. Mas Tri, ini topiknya tentang apa? Hah? Okay, good. Berarti sudah dibahas ya. Good, very good. You have discussed about. Okay. Tapi jangan dilihat jawabannya ya. Okay, now the third. Mbak Mustika, coba dibaca yang ke C, yang nomor C, bagian C. Okay, good. Stove. Okay, sing. Okay. Apa itu sing? Iya, tempat penyuci. Refrigerator, apa itu? No. Apa itu refrigerator? Baru stove. Yeah, kompor is right, correct. Okay. So the topic is about huh? Okay. So the topic so is about kitchen. Okay. How about D? Who wants to say D? Yeah, go on. Mm-mm. Yeah. Louder, please. So the topic is about. Is it correct? Is it correct? What is your reason? Give us your reason. If you choose that answer, of course you have reason, right? So what is your reason? Come on. Belajar berargumen. Ayo. Bisa? yang bisa memberikan alasan? Oke, Mas Tri. Pertama topiknya apa? Mm-mm. The the topic is okay. The topic is because okay because once again because what once again say again because these words are these words are the names of what? Okay, so the way to say the reason because these words are the names of food, right? So this is the way to give the reason. Okay, if someone if you say if you answer the topic is food, what is your reason? Because these words are the names of food. Okay, so how about this one? What is the reason? C. Who wants to try C? The reason. Ya, Mbak Mustika. Mm-mm. The name of kitchen, is it correct? Masih kurang sempurna, udah bener tapi masih kurang sempurna. Because the things are the words are this word as what? The name of kitchen what? Yeah, kitchen what? No, I ask you the name of kitchen. Your answer is good, but not perfect. Okay, not perfect. Because these words are the names of kitchen tools or the things in kitchen, right? Or the stuff in kitchen or the tools in kitchen. Okay, that's the answer, that's the reason. Yeah, or the stuffs or the tools in the kitchen, right? You should make the correct or the accurate answer. Okay. Okay, now we come to this working with topics. Now I want to ask Mbak Mbak Eni. Mbak Eni, you answer number A. Part A, you answer number A, Mbak Eni. Okay, topic flowers in your country. Okay, Mbak Eni, can you speak? I can hear your voice. Yes, but it's better if you speak. Okay, Never mind, you can write down. You can write down. Okay. While you write, I need to tell you something. Okay. So this part this part is the words. So here we are going to find the topic, right? But here, actually, we have the topic. There is already a topic, so we need to elaborate, or we need to mention the words related to the topic. Okay, you know that the difference, this one, we can find the words and we need to find the topic. But here, there's already a topic. We need to find the words. So it's like the opposite. The opposite. Okay, the opposite. Okay, okay, while Mbak Eni writing the answer, must now who wants to answer number B, part B? Who wants to answer part B? Okay. Anyone wants to answer? Mbak Jumi? Okay. Please answer B, part B. Yeah, hello? Go on. Oh, you cannot see? You Oh, oh, I see, I see. Okay. Oh, okay. The screen, you cannot see the screen. Okay, sekarang Mbak Linda. Mbak Linda, please answer B, part B. Yeah, hello. Please answer part B. Okay, listen first. Islands in your country. Country, country. Ya, pertama kan I need to explain you here. Yang di sini sudah ada kata-katanya. Ada table, ada chairs, ada refrigerator. There are words here. Di sini kita mencari topik, but here we should find the words related to the topic. Okay, go on. Islands in my country. No. Islands in my country. Mention. No. Not like that. Okay, now once again I need to explain. Can you see this? Bisa dilihat, ini ada table, ada chairs. Berarti ini adalah nama-nama benda atau things, right? Things. So ada table. So di sini kita mau mencari topiknya. Ini topiknya tentang apa ini? The answer is the kitchen or tools in the kitchen, right? Okay. Here, but here the opposite of the previous. Di sini topiknya sudah ada. Kita mau cari kata-kata apa aja yang berhubungan dengan topik ini. Islands in your country. Islands. Pulau-pulau di negaramu. Okay, go on. Please mention. Say in English, say to us. Siapa yang ngomong? nama pulaunya disebutin. Lucu. Oh, lihat dulu yang ditulis di sini apa? Topiknya tentang islands in your country. Pulau-pulau di negaramu. Did you get what? Sebutkan nama pulau-pulau itu. Iya sayang. Say in English. Bali, island, island, Iceland. Okay. Uh, Bahasa Inggris terus apa? Bahasa Inggris terus apa? And then uh, okay. Java, Java Island. And then what else? What else? Apalagi? What else? What else? No. What else itu apalagi sayang? What else itu Miss bilang what else? Masuk Miss apalagi? What else? What else? Apalagi itu maksud Miss. Itu pulau ya Lampung ya? Is it island? Nanti belajar dulu nama-nama pulau ya. Okay, now let's continue. Topiknya tentang cities in your country. Okay, Mbak 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 Dede udah keluar ya. Mbak Arina deh, Mbak Arina. Mbak Arina ayo. Ya, ya. Mbak Arina, Mbak Arina. Oke, sekarang selain Mbak Arina semua mic-nya dimatikan, di unmute dulu. Oke. Ayo Mbak Arina part C. Topiknya cities in your country. Ayo. Enggak dengar. Once again, enggak dengar nih. Nggak usah disebutkan, nggak usah, no need to mention the city, just mention the name. No need Jakarta City, no need to mention the city. Okay, okay, once again. Once again. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's correct. Okay, thank you. And I need to tell you, uh, saya pengen kalian mengerti maksud pertanyaan itu yang penting. Jawabannya, ketika kalian sudah mengerti maksud dari pertanyaan itu, kalian pasti sudah bisa menjawabnya. Okay? Seperti yang ini, this one. So, we need to answer this. We need to find the topic. Jadi kalau di sini yang harus kita jawab adalah topiknya apa, oke? Topiknya apa? Kalau di sini topiknya sudah ada. We have the topic, okay? We have the topic here. Di sini sudah ada topiknya. Yang perlu kita cari di sini adalah kata-kata words yang kata-kata yang berhubungan atau yang berhubungan dengan topik ini. Kata-kata apa aja yang berhubungan dengan topik ini. Itu. So the most important is you need to understand, you need to understand what is the question. If you have known the question, I believe that you can answer that question well. Okay, you can answer that question well. So the most important, kamu mengerti instruksinya. Okay, instruksi itu penting untuk dipahami. Okay, you have to know the instruction. Okay. Wait. Okay, now let's continue. Okay. Now, thinking of the topic. Now we come to this exercise 3, thinking of the topic. Okay. Ini bagian 3 ini, you need to think. You need to think the topic is the same with exercise 1. Who wants to try number A? Who wants to note number A, part A? Who wants to try part A? Okay, who wants to try part A? Okay, yeah, Linda, go on. Yeah. Read the words first. Baca dulu kata-katanya. Mm-hmm. 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 Ice cream. Okay. Thinking of the topic. What is the topic? Ice cream. Okay, is that correct? Who wants to correct? Apa itu? Tentang apa itu? Apa topiknya itu? Iya, that's why makanya instruksinya diperhatikan. Okay. Apanya? Enggak ada di situ topiknya. Kamu mencari topiknya sendiri. Roti. Es krim itu roti ya? Okay. Who wants to try again? Okay, keep dulu jawabanmu ya. Keep your answer ya. Okay, who wants to try? Who wants to try? Siapa lagi yang ingin mencoba yang A? Okay, apa itu topiknya? Food made from milk, right? Okay, made from milk. That's the topic. Okay. B, who wants to try B? B, Okay. Okay, good. Billing C. What is C? Ini berarti kalau ada roda, mesin, ada jendelanya, ada tempat duduknya, ada pintunya, itu bagian-bagian dari mobil. Oke, okay, D. What is D? Oke. Okay. E. What is E? Okay, E is about feeling. Okay. So the most important you need to know is, okay, jadi kalian harus memahami kata-kata ini. Paling nggak kalian bisa mengerti kosakatanya. Ketika kalian mengerti kosakatanya, you surely know that the topic. You surely know the topic. Okay, if you have known the vocabulary well, I believe that you will know the topic of, or what the topic about. Okay. Oke, dan sampai di sini kalau finding topic itu I believe that this is easy, right? Oke. Atau ada yang mau ditanyakan dari finding the topic? Kalau finding the topic dari word itu easy. Oke. Oke, sebelum kita lanjutkan, before we continue to the next, kita break dulu 8 menit ya. Nanti jam 11 we can start, at 11 we can start. Oke, break dulu 8 menit. We can start at 11 p.m. Okay.